Alright, this is a video showing you how to create an online graph and put that into a document like a lab report on Google Docs. Okay, I'm just using a typical PC laptop. Here we go. So for my students, you're going to go to my webpage, www.hoylescience.pbworks.com, and on the front page, you're going to scroll down until you get to where it says right here, website links for online graphing. Okay, I'm going to use second website. The first one can be used as well, but we'll just use the first one. It's pretty user friendly. So you're going to click on that. It's going to take you to this particular website. Now you can choose the type of graph that you wish. Most graphs that we use will probably be a bar graph or a line graph, but today I'm going to use a line graph, so click on that. And then what you can do is choose how many grid lines you actually want in your graph. So I'm going to choose 21, so it can be as large and include as much data as you possibly can. And then you're going to click Data. Now I'm not going to fill this whole chart in this video. I've already got that done on another tab. So here it is. Okay, so I'll go to Data, and at the top here you're going to put in the title of your graph. You're going to label the x-axis, and for some graphs it will have a unit. We don't have a particular unit because we're using days. Day 1, day 2, day 3 for measurements of the plant. On the y-axis label, put a label, and this time we're going to put in a unit as well, because we measure the height of the plants in centimeters. Now down here where it says items, that's the number of data points you want to put on your x-axis. So if we measured plant growth for 20 days, then this number would be 20. I'm just going to use 5 just to make it easier. The groups here is the number of different lines or sets of data you actually want to put on the graph. Okay, so I'm going to use 3. Group labels is what each line on the graph actually represents. So you want each of them labeled and to correspond with the colors that will be on the graph. Here happens to be green, purple, and yellow. So group 1 is going to represent the plants that got only water. Group 2 is the ones that got an acid solution, and group 3 is the ones that had an oil solution. Where it says item label, well, that's again your data points for the x-axis. And so because we had days, we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. And then we put our growth values, or measured values in centimeters, here for group 1, group 2, and group 3. Okay? And that's pretty much it. And then you can look at a preview. Now you can go to print save, and you can save it as a JPEG or save it as a PDF or that sort of thing. But you quite easily you can do it this way. So I just enlarge it here. Okay. What I can do next is just print the screen. Okay. So there's a print screen button on your computer. So just print screen, and then go to Paint. Okay. And then just press Control V, and up comes your graph. Okay. I'm going to shift that over again, and just click Select. Hold on here. So just click Select. You want to capture that graph. So highlight it as follows, and press Control X, and then go back to the internet. Okay, and open the document that you want to put it in. So I've got a document here, and then just press Control V, and boom, your graph is now in your document, and you can put in your analysis and talk about the trends that are in the data. So that's pretty much it for how to do it on the PC. Okay, take care.